best kept secret is our hot dog stand at Macon Indoor Flea Market.
Yes.
So come follow me in the flea market. You come there, you're gonna see dogs on it any way you want it dogs. Let's go. We're in the flea market. We got a lot of stuff going on in the flea market. You got to come out here and just visit the flea market sometime. You come see us at Hank's Food Truck, dog on it any way you want it dog. Hank's Food Truck, we got all kind of dogs we offer. We got Chicago dog, we got the cold dog, we got the firecracker, we got nachos, the all-American, crunchy dog, chili cheese, Hank chili cheese. Look at the spot in here. We got a nice clean spot for you too. So you come on in here and you can enjoy some of these dogs on any way you want it dog. So come on around, come see us. So this is me. I'm telling you, Miller, Georgia, come out here to this Macon Flea Market. So we got a lot of nice places in here to visit, right? So just remember, Macon Indoor Flea Market, Hank's Food Truck, doggone it, any way you want it.